another vlog. So today we are going hiking and we're late. We are very late. We woke up late and they're still making food and they're screaming in the background. So yeah, we'll see what time we get there. I've never been to this trail before, so we'll see, but I'm excited. And we're gonna be doing a 10-kilometer hike. 10-kilometer hike. So yeah, let's get to it. So the time is okay, 12:05. As you can see, I'm alone in the car. I'm still waiting for my mom, Du and Grace. They're still in the house. We still haven't left. And the place we're going to is 27 minutes away from here. And it's called, wait, I'll tell you. Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve. It says it's in Heidelberg. No? Okay, I don't know. Yeah, it's a nature reserve. And it's got 4.1 stars on Google reviews. It's open now, and yeah, the reviews are excellent. So like I said, we do not know this trail and we're excited. Well, we as in me and the people I'm coming with, or who are coming with me, whatever. But yeah, they're here now.
Hi. Are we welcome to come in?
Well, I've been waiting for you guys.
Thank you so much.
Lady, do you not have hands to open your own door?
No, absolutely not.
Okay.
I'm an independent woman, but...
Okay, I see. Does she not have hands to open her own door?
No.
Oh, okay. But we see hands. So it's 12 o'clock. Probably 10 past 12 now. And we're only leaving now, so I don't know. We'll see. Why are you sitting like you're in school?
Yeah, because for my back.
It's good for your back.
It's good for my back.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right.
Where you at?
Yeah.
A whole nation. Okay, so where do we go?
Let's take it in map.
This is your map.
That's that day.
So the time is... What's happening? Hey guys, what's
I'm fine with this one.
13:03. It's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock for a 10-kilometer hike. They close at 5 o'clock. I wonder if they're gonna make it. We'll see. Wow, that's on camera. Oh my goodness. I do not know this person.
Do I?
Don't know me.
Before in your life.
All on camera. Ngathi salama jacket manje.
What?
Jacket.
Amani?
Jacket.
Oh.
Welcome to our day hiking trail. Before you start, please report to the visitor center where hiking booklets are available. Please stay on marked trails. Please do not litter. The trails are for hikers only.
Okay, so where are you going here?
10.
Follow the yellow and
Oh, guys, doesn't feel a wobbly. Nothing's over. America is in there.
You might as well go sit in the car.
You say,
because this one is the long one.
10 kilometers.
I've done 10 today. It's long for who?
No, just
You just said you feel wobbly.
Yeah, I'm feeling wobbly.
so you need to be sure, you know.
I'm sure.
But it's
You carry me. I've got 2 kids and carry me.
Nah, fam.
Let me
You carry yourself.
You will know kids of these days. Today.
You carry yourself.
You will know kids of the last days today.
Yeah, but
No.
It's like traveling without worrying about accommodation.
exactly. Whoa.
What's a lion?
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
This is nice.
What's a lion? What's a?
Hey, ningashelelini, guys. It's so slippery, hey?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Because of the rain.
Yeah. Woo, we need the stick. Yeah, it's time to test the boots.
But I love my boots. I can't tell you guys. They're so light and they grip. Like
They
I'm
grip.
not even worrying about any sleeping right now. They grip. Gosh, baby, let me just tie a shoe.
Are they untie again? Ish.
Hold on. It's nice and cool here.
It is, ne?
It was a hot day.
It was gonna be so,
So refreshing.
yeah.
Ah, see who's getting hot.
Yeah.
Someone's getting hot.
Wait for us. Now.
Whoa, I'm recording a video, you idiots.
Aye, when I enjoy the moment, man.
Enjoy the moments of fruit. People are changing.
Yeah.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
I am
It's getting so hot, I'm gonna take my clothes.
It's not hot.
Men's not hot.
Man's not hot. Take off your jacket. Man's
The
not hot.
I call 12 is
I'm a
not good.
tissue.
Where are you gonna put the tissues?
Okay, we need.
Oh, my heart is beating fast.
But we've done it right. Look, we came from there. So why
You see,
Wow,
it's too much.
it's not too much. It's fine.
it's a
It's normal.
considerable.
Thank you, bye. Oh, thank you, my boy. What would I do without you?
You live without you.
Oh, I will die. Okay, I'm irritable. I don't know why, and I didn't put anything next to my eyes. You know, today is not a good day for me. Okay, let's go, guys.
That's a bit extreme.
What about the apples? Did you want them?
Right.
Guys, are we even 5 kilometers in?
No, 2.5.
2.5.
3.
Someone's already having a mental breakdown over here.
All I tried to do was clear my nose, but no, I'm just like pulling everyone back. I don't understand. Like,
Your button. Someone's had hard this is. We're not even on 5
This
kilometers.
coming from a woman we helped push forward. Ungrateful much.
Very much ungrateful.
Siwesti skati. Uthi siwesti skati.
Ma, uzomduduzazi.
And these stones are like sharp in
Yeah, bruh.
And then kaja.
Sikushiya.
Mina ningikhuphile njengoba ngikhathele.
You finally got undone.
Wow.
I know. It's this trash. It's looking at me like
Iyaqaqa amashoelace.
I can't believe you're busy tying other people's shoelaces.
And not tying me.
Like what?
Wait, guys.
Okay. Do you like this better than your normal ones, the short ones? Do you feel like they grip your ankle better?
Actually, yes, hey? And also going down, I don't feel like my...
better, hey?
Yeah.
I also feel like it feels like you
No, ikatulo, the boots. It's better that, yo, because that time we were going down and I was wearing those Mr. Price ones. They were like, yo, my toes were literally touching. Hey, they're coming down. Up, I mean. Yeah. We're gonna ask them now. Nikale kuphi? Behlala ngale bona sinyoka sehlala ngapha. Thina
17 let's have a match.
17.
Serious? Yazi khona la sifika khona bekuthiwe 10 kilometers already phelile bese kuthiwe 17.
No, it says ukuthi khethe whether you're doing it 10 or 17.
Mama, yabona
Amosekala sambe for about an hour. Masifika la kubhalwe 10 kubhalwe 17.
usho silesihambile bekuyi-10.
No.
Kubalile ngamafoni.
Eish inkingi leyo.
Hayi, abantu ke bogelani ba 17.
Oh, sobona nina.
You can't do 10 kilometers in an hour.
17 girl.
Hayi bangasi-hour lesihambile.
Bese kubathule.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how come you do
Abantu nizobona. Asikhuluma okuningi. Thina siqala nge-10.
Thina siqala ngo-1 ke so never ngeke nezi 17.
Siqala ngo-1.
Yeah.
Nina nofika kushuthi ngo-6 makubhala.
No, lani fika khona it was the option with whether 30 10 or 30 17.
Bengekho enye 10.
Hayibo guys.
Hayibo njengoba masibule bese ukuza kuwe.
This is 5.
Siqala i-7.
Girl, akusi 17 girl.
Enjoy.
Don't cheat.
These guys are confused.
But
Like,
27.
they got to a point where it asked, because we also got to that point, remember, where it said 10 or 17. It doesn't mean you've done 10 kilometers. You choose. Ma?
Nithi akho no one or recordayo.
Hi.
Ile nto ama kilometers.
Yes.
Bese bathi senzi 17.
Starting at 10, since 17. So where is it 27 kilometers? They're playing games.
Ay.
But at least they're a nice group.
Yeah, then that's group.
Oh.
Don't look where you're going. Look at where you are. Littering.
Savages.
Hello.
How many kilometers have you guys done so far?
20 something.
No, guys.
What time
What?
did you start?
That's impossible.
Not 20. We passed the midpoint. From that side we had done 10. And then coming this way it's 17.
No, guys. People think they've done 10 and now they're doing 17.
When I get home thinking you've done 20.
How? He's like, we did 20 something. No, fam.
You did not.
No, don't lie. Yeah.
But
But she's in the 27.
Yeah, it takes like a whole night. I mean, if you're walking, sure, you could do it.
Yeah, they don't even have water.
If you're walking, you could do it, you know?
Yeah.
If you're walking on the road, 27 kilometers you could do in a day.
27 kilometers with no water. Haibo.
Oh, yeah, that one is hiking. But not hiking.
No, I'm saying them thinking that they did 27 kilometers and they don't have water.
I've been looking water, don't run.
Descending on all of this.
How?
Mountains. If you're walking on
I wanna see that side. That's busy confusing people. Whew. Yeah, no, I'm feeling it now.
Extend your camera and look at the view.
Yes, please.
Look at the view, Shushi.
Where?
Look at with the sky, like behind us.
You mean with the camera? Oh. Ooh, guys, this is a nice picture.
I know.
Come.
Ang na balance.
There's people there.
Where? Wow. There's another chair.
Wait, a picture here, guys.
Now I'm going to 27 pega ni mikamo lapha. Okay, talking and toilet. I'm going to put this. No, you bought this as well. I thought I must check for you and to do it.
I only chose one.
I'm not going to play alone.
Are we all of food?
Oh, baby, home.
Makes me so fun.
Oh, no.
Second room. You did not say anything.
Oh, I wish I caught that on camera. No, she dropped the energy bar.
And you put it up.
Yep.
And people are peeing here.
Like we've seen. We're not gonna mention names.
I didn't drop anything. You see my hands?
So yeah. So we've done almost 5.96 kilometers. So this is the sign that everyone has been getting confused. They see the sign and they think that they've done 10 kilometers and now they're going to do 17 because more. So like
She
people don't
calls me
understand how to read
day
hiking
and
signs. My goodness. It says 17 yellow, you go this way. 10 kilometers green, you go this way. But no,
We're coming from down here.
like
And they're like, oh, 17.
exactly.
Donku was correcting them and Grace was asking questions.
Because we can't let people think they did 27 kilometers.
insulting for us.
Like, you cannot lie. How? How?
I think if you did 27.
And then some random guy with no water confidently says they've done 27 kilometers.
On all stars.
Dude, how is that not rude?
Sorry.
Oh, that rhymed. Dude, how is that not rude? So now the weather is changing and we're all wearing jackets. So you must be a prepared person. And now we're crossing the road. Oh boy. So we'll meet at the crossroad. Can we take a jump shot here?
Yes.
I'm coming. You see those people? That's where we're from. And they're gonna have to come here. Hey, hey, Shafis Lomuntu. Perfect. It's a resting session over here.
This chappies is giving me the energy, girl.
Really? Isn't it taking out?
Hope
No.
you're not picking up some ticks.
No, never. It's still energy. No, go pela umas. Ngama ticks.
Yeah, there's ticks on the mountains.
Not in stones though. Maybe like
Did they tell you? Did the ticks say, we're not in stone?
yeah, they did. I met them. down there. You didn't
Oh, you carrying them, no?
make them down there. You said, no. There's some rocks up there. We're not there.
Oh, sorry.
We are almost done. We are almost done. We did a 10-kilometer hike. It was awesome. Challenging but awesome. So I do recommend that you come try this trail. But don't be confused and say you did 27 when you just did 10. Okay? Read the signs proper. Don't be like those people. I say we do Kilimanjaro next.
Don't get ahead.
Off to Kilimanjaro.
Yo. My knee.
We just need to get down here. Then we're straight. We're level. Okay. Come on. You can do this.
Wait.
You can do this.
Then he.
Yeah, I know, but it's just down here.
Wait for us.
This is where we're going.
It's even worse because it's showing that we are very up. Guys.
But look at where we've come from. It's still up. You see?
I hear people.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Is anybody out there?
Anybody there?
Can you hear me?
Taking an echo now.
Come on.
No.
Resume.
We're done according to yours now.
Yeah.
No, we're going for 11.
Nah, lies.
Would have done 13 most by the time we get there.
Oh gosh, guys.
It's okay.
You can do
You
this.
can do this. You're just like intimidated right now.
Hold me the hand.
Hold me the hand, Baba.
Your hand are cold.
I don't want to get beaten.
Did you look at my pool? Where you run?
Even the stick is heavy now. We are almost at the end of the road.
Almost. I feel great. My feet don't. But
No, the feet are like, dude, what did you do to me?
why? Why would you
Why?
do this?
Why? I'm so good to you and you just thanks.
Did me like this?
Thanks.
Guys, let's get lost.
Let's check
We
it
thought we
out.
parked here. Okay? We thought we parked here. Let's go.
What if there's dogs though?
I know. What? I thought I parked here. Didn't we park here?
It looks a tiny bit creepy. No. Yeah, it doesn't look good.
What?
I don't think it's
thousands.
thousands.
I don't think so too.
I don't think it's thousands.
I think there might be like dorms or something.
I thought after this we are done.
We are done.
We're here.
Bored.
What is inside here?
It says 10 actually. 10 or 17.
Where is it?
No, 11.
Oh. It's doing the same thing.
We are done with the hike. How does everybody feel?
Tired!
Quite honestly,
How do you feel?
tired.
Yeah.
But great
I feel
Why is
great.
it on the range?
Feel great.
because we're still hiking.
How guys, man?
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ngifuna ukuya toilet wedade. Nokubuza. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and you felt like you're with us.
Let me tell you how I feel.
So,
Hope you guys went hiking with us.
yeah, I feel like you went hiking with us. Yeah. So please comment below. And if you've done this trail before, how was it for you? Would you do this trail? And yeah. Okay, enjoy the pictures. Bye.
Hey. Anyway, it's me, the one and only your vlogger, Guli. I don't know if you can tell. I know I look different. I'm just a little bit sick, but it's me, Guli. So we just like out here.
His friend. Hello.
This is Guli's little sister.
Yes.
Yeah, this is my little sister because I'm Guli, you know? Anyway, we're just so exhausted. We've been hiking and like, yeah. I know this place doesn't look like a hiking place, but trust me,
It's our home.
yeah, this is home now.
Yeah. We bought this house.
It looks a
for
little bit like
1.5 million.
it looks a little bit like a reception area. I
Yeah,
mean,
it's
we
a big
designed it
house.
that way. It even
Yeah.
says
We
inquiries.
wanted something different.
Inquiries here, but yeah, it's just a our style. We just like people to feel like they're in a waiting room when they come to our house.
So that we don't tell her she was find it when she do the videos.
So yeah, guys, this is our home. We've got all this land that we can hike at any time we want. It's like 60 kilometers, in fact, worth of
And
land.
people
So,
come outside to come and hike and then make money.
bye, my Korean sister's coming.
Open it. Check the pants.
Somebody's got ants in their pants.
Checking, hey, we want to bring anything home. Just now. We've got some eggs in here.
Sit down.
Please pause your workouts, people. I mean, this is not working out.
Finished.
This is lounging around.
4 hours, 10 kilometers. We're improving.
We are actually, because we did 5 kilometers in how long?
Like
Open
5
bani yako,
hours.
open to this, no kula.
10.8. But because I didn't stop it, I think we stopped. We're still in a 10.5. Okay, no.
I'm serious.
Yep.
Yep.
I've got 2 feet, don't I?
This is drama.
Konje in this place.
I can't pronounce this phrase.
Let me try. Suikerbosrand. What?
No.
What? Guys,
Oh,
like a sugar.
Suikerbosrand.
Is it Seikar or Swaker?
No,
Suiker.
Okay,
And
let's
then
see.
Bosnian.
No.
Suikerbosrand.
How do you pronounce this?
Suikerbosrand. Nature reserve.
Seikar?
Wow, the nature.
Guys, I said Suikar, but why do we say Suikerbosrand?
Reserve.
Guys, why? It's nature reserve. Suikerbosrand.
Nature reserve.
So wait, how do you pronounce it? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
do you pronounce that word?
Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve.
Board.
Okay, that's different.
Suikerbosrand. Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve.
And you, ma'am?
Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve.
And you, sir?
Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve.
Okay, that's different, but I say Suikerbosrand.
calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time, it's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive. Everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive.
He never answers me. When I call, he makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and laughter feels so far away. I miss the old days, memories of